Hi guys, I'm James and today I'm going to show you how to make twists on an open fire. You will need fresh green willow stems, plain flour, sugar, water and a bowl to mix it in. Add 1 cup of flour and 3 tablespoons of sugar into the bowl. Then add the water bit by bit to make a dough. You will also need to build a fire.
Right. So you're going to get your willow branch and you're going to remove any of the side stems, yes? Okay. Yeah, so this is your main stem and these are your side stems, your side shoots. So you're going to just pull them off like that. And once it's stripped of leaves, what you're going to do, can you see at the bottom here, we're going to take the bark off it. Can you see that? We're going to take the bark off it and expose the fresh wood underneath. Okay. Willow isn't poisonous, which is why we use it for backwards cooking.
Now I'm going to try and strip the bark off my willow stick.
Once you've got your hands washed, we're going to take a little bit of the dough, you don't need too much, and then you're going to make it into a sausage. Okay? Between your hands, roll it in between your hands and pull. Okay? What you're then going to do is get your stick. Yeah, that one's mine. Okay? And then you are going to slowly twist it round and pull it tight because it will need to stick to the stick. Sticky stick. Okay. And we need to make it quite thin, otherwise it's never going to bake. Okay, so that is your dough, your twist on a stick.
You need a nice hot fire to cook from, with a lot of hot white embers. It will take between 10 and 15 minutes to cook. When the twist is cooked, it should easily come off the stick. Let me try mine. Ta-da! Time to cut it open and fill it with yummy chocolate spread, jam, or any other sweet treat. Delicious! Hope you've enjoyed it and thank you for watching Scoutadelic.